Oh, welcome. My first ever live stream. एक्चुअली मुझे चलो पहले एनालिसिस करते हैं, बाकी बातें बाद में करेंगे. जीबीपी 1 hour. I also need to write it down, guys. अरे यार पेन. I need to get a new pen. I will be back. Just give me. How can I be this unprepared? Does this one work? Perfect. Oh man. नहीं भाई रीस्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे. Let's go with the flow. So welcome. Everybody has to start somewhere. Plan GBP. So daily time frame looks bullish, bearish, daily order block. But overall trend is bearish. There is a fair value gap, so it can continue lower. It has 1 hour. Broke this low. It will break it eventually. So what do we want here? We are bearish in GBP. We want एक 15-minute FVG retest, then what? Then maybe a 3-minute or 5-minute break of structure. 3/5 break of structure. Then euro. Daily is just sideways, flat. It's not a high. Looks bullish in 4 hour. That's a big wick, but it has happened before. This is not something I love. There is still 9 minutes. If it closes about this level and gives a retest, then we can think about it. Euro, we are bullish, but लग तो नहीं रहा होगा, so maybe we won't trade euro. Let's see. Then we have AUD. AUD daily. It is bearish in daily. 4 hour. It's still bearish. Yeah, it's good for downside. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, it can be a sweep, but we would like to follow the trend, because if it's a sweep then it will go up. If it's not, then we will trade the continuation. What do we want? I need a breakdown, 5-minute breakdown, easy. AUD looks like we will get a trade in AUD. 5-minute break of structure, 5 or 3 as per the chart. If it's going fast, then we will go with 3-minute break of structure. Then our JPY. JPY doesn't look good for bullish. There's a sweep over here, daily sweep. Looks like good for downside. And then we have 4 hour mein it broke, then retest, can continue for upside. There is upside. Now what will we do here? It can break, retest, it can continue for upside. What does 15 minutes says? I would not a good market to trade. Just one AUD. We have one AUD to trade, and I will go. Yeah, 15-minute broke, then sideways and break upside. We will be bullish. 15 minutes में we need this level. 5 minutes में ये level break हो. JPY. There are a lot of wicks here. That's something I don't like. Continue wick. If it was a good upside, then it would not make 1, 2, 3 wicks again and again. There is a chance that it will continue downside. We will go half quantity in JPY. If it breaks, goes for upside. I wanted to do a live stream, but आज ही channel बनाया मैंने, and there is a 24 hours thing, so I am recording this, so and I will upload this rather than, because I can't do live stream. Let's go whatever we have. Daily gold. That's a very strong candle. It can continue. 4 hour. There is a red candle. Now it can continue for upside. What if 1 hour says? There is a IFVG, so it upside is there to fill this gap. Equal lows. I see a upside in gold. It's look good. It looks good. There is the 5 minute. Oh, looks like it will go without me. I will have to be a little quick. I will have to enter in 1 minute. I don't have too much of choice. Gold जब move करता है तो it moves very fast. Don't retrace too much. Right now it's in a zone, so I will 3 minute break of structure. It will happen right away. I can enter right away, but new market, new money. If it goes up, then I want a retracement. Then maybe 1 minute break of structure slash retrace retracement, one break of structure. If it goes, then it goes. I can't do anything about it. I have one more screen over here. Actually, it's a tablet, so I will also watch from here what I plan. Guys, I'm not a funded trader. I'm in a demo account. You can see here my stats. I am up how much? 280. Nice. Let me check. That must be without brokerage and all. I am up 3%. We can't afford two screens, but we can use this as a screen. So we have done our analysis. और बार देख लेते हैं 27. We have a little time over us, our hands. Yeah, so I was bearish. So yeah, there is a downside. Yeah, it's easy downside. If it gives a 3 minute break of structure, then I will sell. 3 minute break of structure. Yeah, this one fair value gap failed. Now it can continue lower. I want to enter right away, but I will have to wait for new money. I will watch GBP on my smaller screen in 3 minutes. Once it breaks this low, that is a 5 minute low, or this low, I will enter. Euro, I am bullish. I want there is a 5 minute breakout structure already. If this closes above this level, then I want 1 minute breakout structure in this zone retest. Then what else? What else? Last time, let's check the charts again. It doesn't look like we'll get a trade in AUD as we planned. It is in a fair value gap, so let's see if it goes come down in 3 minute breakout structure. Then too we can enter 3 minute 5 minute breakout structure, but we don't have to look it for a while. JPY, we will get a trade in JPY. There will be a 3 minute over here. We will look at JPY. And what about Euro? Yeah, Euro में भी थोड़ा time है. I'll look Euro in my phone, my actual screen, where I will execute my trades in my phones. मेरे को laptop से I don't like to execute my trades in laptop. I'm not used to. What about gold? What is the plan? 3 minute breakout structure retracement. If so, it hasn't done. It's good. It's manipulating. It will go down. Then 3 minute breakout structure, and I'll enter. So this is our plan. Let's. It's almost time. Okay, so there is GBP. I'm watching GBP here. Don't need to worry about that. 5 minute breakout structure. It will take time. JPY. I need a JPY in one chart. That is JPY. Okay, so in 3 minutes, yeah, we will get a trade in gold. That this level, it has already broke the level. We can do with 1 minute also, but we'll wait. 1 minute breakout structure and we will enter gold. Let's see, per trade I risk 0.75, $25. How much is it? 0.5 per trade risk. 3 trades per session. I trade 4 session, London and New York. I will talk about the stats later. Let's see what we can do right now. Okay, the analysis is done. Now it's time to execute our plans. We'll get a trade in JPY in a 3 minute breakout structure. We are getting a trade in gold. Once it closes above that level, we will enter 1 minute or 1 minute breakout structure. Anything. Let's see. SL. I think the first trade we'll get in JPY. JPY. Yeah, we are. Whoa, that's quite a question. So, so we are in gold and as well as JPY. So GBP. Let's see if I can get a trade in GBP. I wanted. Won't happen. It can go. Oh, euro. We can. Euro is better than GBP. I should take GBP. The problem is it can it is going fast, so it can retrace. Okay, I don't think 1 minute. Let's see. I will take less quantity in euro because I have a little doubts once it closes. SL. Oh, so we are in. Let me draw the chart. Gold. One issue three. Our target. Okay. What about JPY? The retracement. I hope it's 2 to 1 somewhere around 177. SL is a bit. It's good. So we have entered in 3 trades now. There is nothing to do, just adjusting, trailing, and waiting. The hard part is done. I have entered a GBP, sorry, euro. I took a buy in euro. It's a little risky, so I have went with less quantity, $15. I was swept in euro. So SL in euro. Entered in 1 minute. I entered over here. SL was over here. So we already have one SL. It's okay, it was a low probability trade. That's why we went with less quantity. But there is only so I think GBP was a better option for downside. Oh, it went up. Yeah, I got swept. That's the thing. Early entry. I should have waited for confirmation. Yeah, this was expecting. Yeah, this was the right entry when it closed above this candle and SL over here this low. Never mind, it's all right. I still have two open positions. I think it will go up from here, but never mind. JPY it's also coming down. Gold is good. So what do we have here? It can go till here, but we will target what we target. Yeah, this swing. There it is. Guys, I am gold. I got stopped out in JPY. So only one trade left. Gold. It should close about this level if it wants to. Oh, yeah, it's good. The 5 minute displacement is good. see if we are having another losing day. So there is nothing much. I will update you in the end. Right now I have two SLs. Maybe it might be updated here. Let's see if I refresh my stats. This is my trade so far. I started live trading now, but I have this account for around 2 weeks now. So this was last. We were in a winning streak for 3 days. It was good. Small loss. Yeah, this 8 trade. Sometimes I misplace my trade. Oh, see, euro is running now. I just did early entry. Otherwise, it was a good trade. So okay, we will. I should have waited for confirmation, but it's fine. Yeah, missed out by a little bit. Now it will hit the TP. It's going. That trade was right. I just got swept. Took an early entry. Euro. There must. Let's see if it's updated over here. So we have last month. This is so far how my account has done. Profit, loss, profit. Then yeah, this month has been all right. These 2 days were really brutal. 10 trades. Yeah, I overtraded this day. Otherwise, it's good. Sunday. The Sunday it's actually Friday. Or it's Monday. Yeah, it's Monday. It's yesterday's. Right now it hasn't been updated. If I refresh, then today's 10. Why is it not updating? I don't know why it's not updating. It takes time. Maybe it will update. I have the Meta app. You can see my trades over there. It's a little complicated to use the Meta, so I trade directly without using Meta in my phone. I'm used to using my phone. So is it logged in? I hardly understand anything over here. Where is my trade history? Account. Details trading. Oh. 961. It's the same account or it's a different account? 314. Okay, I have to open quote. I have the quote account. Where is yeah, I might have not logged in. Let's see if we. Anyways, it will be updated. So I will show you next time. You can see the trades. For now, if I don't know if you can see this, this is so far 2 SLs in Euro and GBP, and this is the running trade. Gold. Euro gold. Euro will. Is there a swing? This is a problem. No, but it has been tested 2 times, so it can continue. To be honest, it can go till here even. Fine, no issue. That's if we hit TP in gold, then yeah, it's going good. So far, 1 is to 1.5. Yeah, this is a problem. I have to start trailing because it's in the fair value gap. It can actually. That's the one problem. There's there was this was a magnet for it to pull higher, but now it can continue lower for these liquidity. That's the problem. I will trail. There is no good place to trail. I can't break even. Oh yeah, in 5 minutes I will trail it. So I have trailed my trade to break even over here because there is a 5 minute break of structure. Now it should continue. There's a chance. Well, gold, when gold moves, it moves directly, so it can take these swings too. We will target our swings and see what happens. What is happening in other what as per GBP? See now it's coming down. If it's not a good mark, it's not a good session. AUD it didn't go as planned, so there is nothing to watch. JPY, see JPY too swept and now it's going 3 minutes. Well, yeah, the problem is when the new session starts, new money, new manipulation, so we got manipulated. Okay, it wasn't a bad trade. See, when new session started, it got manipulated, took liquidity, I got liquidated. Now it's moving. It will go for these swings, then these swings. 1 is to 4. Fine, but we have one trade which is going good. We are on. We have trailed to break even, so no SLs. You can see what will happen. So I'm ending the stream now. This is my first stream. If you have any questions or anything, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Peace out.